Salut les amis, je suis Frank Martin. Bienvenue à ma nouvelle vidéo. Thank you guys. I'm Frank Martins. Welcome to my new video. Ok les amis, nous allons apprendre les voyelles et les semi-voyelles encore une fois en français et également les différents sons qui sont liés à ces voyelles en vue de bien lire et en vue de lire effectivement et efficacement en français. Merci bien. Guys, today we'll be learning the vowels and the semi-vowels ones in order to be able to read fluently in French. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, by the way, let's start then. The French vowel and pronunciation. Les voyelles et leur prononciation en français. Très bien. The first one is A. A. You can see the sound behind the letter. We have put the big character and the small character. I hope you can understand. A comme you are. This are. A. O comme Oliver. Oliver is a O. E comme elephant. E comme elephant. U comme you. As you. Okay, is that you take this a pronoun you and you say you without adding the u. You. Okay, you and then e as eat. Okay, and then e as to hit. Frapper. To hit is frapper in French. Thank you. Let's continue, guys. We have how to get the syllable or sound. Okay, let's begin. To get the syllables, we join the consonant to the vowels to get the syllable. For example, look at this one. The syllable is a two couple of letter as like we told you. It is consonant plus a vowel is a syllable. But if there is no consonant, the vowel himself or itself, is a syllable. Okay. Mo plus a, it is a ma. Mo plus a, ma. Bo a, ba. Mo o, mo. To, i, ti. Vo a, va. Vo, i, vi. Fo, o, fo. Po, a, pa. Ro, o, ro. Ro, o, ro. Do, a, da. Do, i, di. Do, i, di. Wo, i, wi. Wo, i, wi. Lo, u, lu. Lo, u, lu. Go, e, jo. Go, e, jo. Okay. You can understand here also, guys. It look like English. Like if you see "g" is a two sound. The consonant "g" has a two sound. Behind e, y, and I, it is "j" sound. Behind a, o, and u, it is "g" sound. Here, don't mistaken. It is "j" sound. J, e, j. J, e, j. By the way, that in French, we only care about the sound in the word. That means that you have to read with a syllable. And then here, look at one more thing important. The E is not read in French. We call it silent E. By the way, it is muet. We call it silent E. Deaf E. Deaf E is muet. Okay, it is je. Je, i, j. Je, o, jo. Bo, i, bi. Bo, u, bu. Ko, a, ka. Okay, let's come here also. The consonant C is double as a double sound. C behind A, O, and U is K sound, and C behind E, Y, E, I is a S sound. Then here it is called A, K. And then next one is So, E, C. It is behind I, then it will be read So sound C. Vo, U, vu, Ko, I, ki, No, I, ni, No, U, nu, So, A, sa, So, O, so, Do, E, do, Do, E, do. You see, E is silent. Well done, you get it. And Bo, E, bo, Bo, E, bo. S, I, si, S, I, si. Z, O, zo, Z, O, zo, etc., etc. Thank you so much. And guys, please keep watching this video, because at the end I have a very big gift for you as a dialogue. You will be hearing the dialogue trying to repeat after us. Thank you so much. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Les amis, voyons les semi-voyelles ou les diphtongues. Les semi-voyelles ou les diphtongues. The semi-vowels or the diphthongs. Let's go for the nasal sounds. Nasal sound ou les sons nasales. Tous les sons nasales sont regroupés dans un seul mot qu'on appelle, ce mot est un nom propre qu'on appelle Constantin. Constantin. Good. On, a, un. Voilà. These are the phonetic of these nasal sounds. The first one is on, on, on. Okay, next sound is nasal sound. A-N-R, A-M-R, E-N-R, E-N-R. U-N, U-M, I-N, I-M, Y-N, Y-N, E, A-I-N, E-I-N. But R-E-N is a special semivowel. If you see E-N behind the Y, it becomes N sound. Good. As the specific word according to that is bien. You say bien. When you say good, bien is a B-I-E-N. We say bien, like B plus N sound, means that the A-N here sound become N sound. Good. Let's tell you something also. It depends also for which part of France you are, or which part of Europe you are. These sound on and are very contested in the language, because mostly native speaker they do not as a native speaker, or some people do not go to school, they have a problem to sound this one. That's a sound. It is always like a the first one sound, second one sound, third one sound, like a donne-moi un cadeau. Donne-moi un cadeau means un cadeau, because that person will not say un cadeau. It's un cadeau. Okay, fine. But to sound it well, please say un. Good. Thank you so much. Here we are. Fourth, we have the sound E, 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 E. And this E-R, end of words. End of words, it is A sound. It is A sound, good. And E accent aigu. E accent aigu. E, T, E. E, Z, E. E, R, E, R, E sound. These are E. Good. Next, we have after E, we have A sound. A. Don't confuse about this one. This is A sound. A-I, air sound. E-I, air sound. Circumflex at E, air sound. grab E. A sound, umlaut, sorry, I'm talking. No, double dot E, A sound, and then O next to E, A sound, and then ES, A sound, and then EST, A sound. Example as a threat, 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 threat. Throw plus A, threat, threat, threat. Good. Sixth, O, 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 cause. O, 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 cause. Good. Oa, Oa, O, Oa. OI is OA sound. Really, it is OA sound. It's very confusing that OA. As a OA, OA, OA. As a voiture, voiture, voiture. Eight. Ooh, ooh, ooh. See, only the accents is making the difference. Are making the difference. Ooh, O U, ooh, O U. Circumflex accent on the U. U. Grave accent on the U. It is a U sound. You will be seeing this kind of writing U in the coming lecture. And as a couvre, couvre, couvre is cover, cover. Ninth, E, E. This is the most complicated sound for foreigners. For non French speaker is E, E, E. It is a heureux, heureux, heureux or heureux. Okay, you can say that I change it also heureux, heureux, heureux is happy, heureux, happy, heureux, happy, heureux, happy. You can see what I'm saying is heureux, heureux. It is two sound, and heureux. I used to say to people that if you don't know how to write to sound the EU, don't sound it, and you will be sounding like so. Some people say heureux, heureux de vous voir, heureux de vous entendre, heureux de vous parler, heureux. Good. Then a, a sound, E-I-L-A, E-I-L-L-E, a. As you can see here, the alphabet sound A is the phonetic of A. Like veille. Veille means the day before. Veille. Veille. La veille is the day before. Or veille is to keep non-sleeping. A night is veille. Good. Thank you. Guys, I'm taking that much time because I want you to understand clearly. Here is the matter of French. If you know how to sound the vowel and the semi-vowel, it is finished with French. The most, le talent d'Achille du français est la lecture. Le talent d'Achille du français est la lecture. Le talent d'Achille, Achille was a Greek, a very big guy Greek, and that his weakness was his I don't know, his heels. Like a thunder, his thunder was being cut and he was being beat because his heels thunder are being cut. I don't know if you understand that. Okay, we go next. 11th, 11th. I, 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 as travail, travail, travail. Tra plus a, tra, vo plus I, vai. It is a two-syllable sound. Two-syllable word, I mean. Travail, travail. Good. And 12th, we have nion sound. Nion, nion, nion. As a quand, quand, co plus un, quand, po plus a, pas, nion plus I, nion. I is silent. Campagne, campagne, campagne. Campagne means campaign. Good. 13th, heure, 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 heure as sport, 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 sport. Nota bene, guys, be careful, E is not read in French. And consonants at the end of the words also are silent or are also not sound. Good. E is not read. Consonants at the end of the words are silent. There is some exception, but please follow us, we'll be doing these exceptions for you. Thank you so much, guys. And let's continue. And please, I want also to add something. Please, this is the two biggest rule in French reading. Don't forget that E is not read in French. And the second rule is that the consonant at the end of words are not read. Finish. Thank you. Hope you understand. 14th, we have heure, 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 heure. As sœur, sœur is sister. Beurre, butter, butter is beurre. Du beurre. Donnez-moi un peu de beurre, s'il vous plaît. Un peu de beurre. Je voudrais un peu de beurre. Un peu de beurre. Beurre is butter. 15th, we have air, 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 air. And then air also ER. You remember I told you ER is A sound, but at the middle of words it is not A sound again, it's air sound. It is why I said middle words. Notaire. Notary. Notary is notaire. Someone in the court and the justice court. If you have a problem, is a movable, it comes, and I don't know, notaire. Someone for like a divorce or like renting problem, resolving that. And next the word is première. Première, the feminine form of first. Premier, premier, première. Next word is vert. Vert. Vert is green. Green. Vert. Next word also is the same. They are homonym. Vert. Vert is glass or glass. Nota bene, the and the L makes the vowels and the semivowel sound longer. You understand what I mean? Sometimes we do not pronounce the R. If you don't know how to pronounce, if you say R, you can say pronounce the vowel it's following, or the semivowel it following longer. Is that we do. The L also make the vowel or the semivowel longer. For example, I took A. I want to say A plus L will be semivowel. You see, E plus L will be semivowel. E plus L will be semivowel. You see, L, il. You know, I do not say il. I say il, el, al. I do not say l. I say al. Good. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys. Surprise! We have another conversation for you. Hope you will be enjoying this conversation between Manuel and Eric. Eric. Okay, and Manuel. Bonjour. Vous êtes nouveau ici? Oui, je suis nouveau. Et vous? Manuel. Quel est votre nom? Eric. Je m'appelle Eric. Et vous? Manuel. Moi, je m'appelle Manuel et j'habite ici. Eric, pouvez-vous m'indiquer le chemin du centre commercial? Manuel, le centre commercial n'est pas loin d'ici. Le centre commercial n'est pas loin d'ici. Eric, combien de temps il faut pour arriver là-bas? Manuel, il faut 10 minutes. Eric, merci, au revoir. Manuel, au revoir, bonne chance. Ok les amis, merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Au revoir, à bientôt pour une nouvelle vidéo. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. Goodbye, see you soon for another video. Thank you so much.